This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Civic windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. It's important to have the correct size blades for your specific Civic model, which you can often find in your owner's manual or by checking online resources. Always replace both front wiper blades together for optimal performance. To remove the old blades, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Place a cloth on the windshield beneath the arm to prevent it from accidentally falling and cracking the glass. Locate the small pinch clip or tab where the blade connects to the arm. Press this clip and slide the old blade off the arm. Now, take your new wiper blade. Position it so the J-hook of the wiper arm aligns with the attachment point on the new blade. Slide the new blade upward onto the arm until you hear or feel a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back down onto the windshield. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wipers. Turn on your car's ignition and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they move across the glass, ensuring they provide a clear, streak-free wipe. If you notice any streaking or skipping, recheck the installation. For optimal safety, replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.